Welcome student, chapter number 3, exercise number 27, long problem, 8 mark problem, don't forget. Balance sheet is given for A and B for date 31/12/2006. On the date, she had decided to admit C as a new partner. C bring in rupees 1 lakh and his capital and 60,000 as his share of goodwill. So cash account at 1,60,000 to C capital 1 lakh, premium for goodwill 60,000. Immediately the premium for goodwill transferred to the existing partner's capital account by sacrifice ratio. So 60,000 2:1. If new ratio given, you must calculate sacrifice ratio. So in this problem, new ratio not given. So old ratio has sacrifice ratio. So good premium for goodwill transfer to older partner's capital account. Okay. Next, journal for revaluation. Particularly in this problem, pause the necessary journal entries. Journal entries required. Plant is to be appreciated, building is to be appreciated. When assets increased, don't forget, when assets increase, that should be credited in revaluation account. So plant increase appreciated to 1,20,000. Already plant given as rupees 1 lakh. So appreciated to 1,20,000. So 20,000 rupees increased. So plant account at 20,000. Building appreciated by 10%. So out of 1,50,000, 10% is 15,000. Both assets are increased. When assets increase, that is gain item. When assets increase, revaluation account is credited. So plant account data, building account data to revaluation. So then, stock is found overvalued. In balance sheet, stock is overvalued 4,000, that should be reduced. So assets value reduced. Assets value reduced is loss item. So revaluation account is debited. A provision for bad and doubtful debt is created as at 5% on debtors. So debtors amount also reduced. That is also a loss item. Creditors were underrecorded to the extent 1,000. Underrecorded creditor of 1,000 rupees bring into account. So this is also the reduced item. When assets increase, liability decreased, gain item. When assets decreased, liability increased, both are loss item. So when loss item, revaluation account is debited. So revaluation account data to stock account, provision for bad and doubtful debtors to creditors account. So this is the journal. The next step is preparation of revaluation account. Stock reduced, provision for debts created, debtors reduced, new creditors is created, liability also increased. Plant increased, building increased. So gain item credited in revaluation account, loss item debited in revaluation account. So the total is here 35,000. So save 35,000 here. Now you subtract the three items. So the balancing figure is 27,000. So when balancing figure comes in revaluation on debit side, that is profit on revaluation. So profit transfer to capital account. Who are the existing partners? A and B are the existing partners. So 27,000 distributed in the ratio of 2:1. So 18,000 transferred to A's capital account and 9,000 transferred to B's capital account. So journal for revaluation profit. Revaluation account data 27,000 to A's capital account 18,000 and B's capital account 9,000. So the narration is what? The narration is 9,000. So revaluation profit transfer to partner's capital account. Revaluation profit transfer to capital account. Don't forget student, when balancing figure comes in revaluation debit side, that is profit on revaluation. If balance figure comes in credit side of the revaluation account, that is loss on revaluation. So next capital account. So opening balance of A, opening balance 1,80,000 given in balance sheet, and B 1,50,000. If there is any general reserve, profit and loss account appears in balance sheet, that is immediately transferred to capital account. So in this problem, bills payable, creditors, outstanding expenses, there is no accumulated profit. P&L account, general reserve not given in balance sheet, so no problem. So next is what? Please check the narration journal number 2. Premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill for A 40,000, for B 20,000. Then next is revaluation profit. So revaluation profit is credited to partner's capital account. So revaluation profit is what? 18,000 and 9,000. So after that, now C admitted. So what is the amount of C's capital? C capital amount is 1 lakh. So there is nothing in debit side. So what is the total? 1,80,000, 40,000 plus 18,000, that becomes 2,38,000. Then 1,50,000, 20,000, 9,000, that becomes 1,79,000. Here 1 lakh. So nothing in debit side. So 2 balance got down. 2,38,000. Here also 2,38,000. So 1,79,000. Here also 1,79,000. So 1 lakh for C's capital. So this balance carried down is transferred to the balance sheet. So this is the capital account of the partners. So balance sheet, new balance sheet after admission of C. So the cash in hand. So in this problem, cash in hand and the cash at bank both are given. So you first write cash in hand, then C contributed C's capital and premium for goodwill. So C brings 1 lakh for capital and 60,000 for premium for goodwill. So add in bank balance or cash balance, whatever it may be. In this problem, cash in hand and the cash at bank both are given. You add anyone. Then sundry debtors, there is adjustments in sundry debtors, that is provision 3,000 separate. Then stock. Stock is how much? Stock is 40,000. Stock is overvalued. So you must reduce the overvalue. So overvalue 4,000. So the stock value comes down to 36,000. Then plant. So plant is to be appreciated 1,20,000. Then building. Building is 1,50,000 given in problem. From 1,50,000 plus appreciation. Appreciation is 10%, that is 15,000 I think. Please check in revaluation amount, don't forget. So 15,000. So building value increased to 1,65,000. Dear students, revaluation means nothing but assets and liability convert into current value, that's all. So there is no adjustment in bills payable. So bills payable is 10,000. Then there is in creditor. A new creditor of 1,000 rupees is bring into account. Plus to the extent unrecorded creditor. Unrecorded creditor 1,000 rupees bring into account. So creditor moves to 59,000. So there is no adjustment in outstanding expenses. So there is no adjustment in bills payable and outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses is 2,000. Then capital account. Please check capital account. So A capital moves to 2,38,000 I think. A's capital moved to 2,38,000. And the B capital moves to 1,79,000. So new partner C brings capital for rupees 1 lakh. So you please check the all adjustment must appear in the balance sheet. Please you check once again. So C bring 1,60,000. So entered. Then plant is to be appreciated 1,20,000. That's also entered. Value of building appreciated by 10%. Entered. Stock overvalued reduced. A provision for bad and doubtful debtors 5%. Yes. Creditors. So all adjustment must appear in the balance sheet. This is very, very important. So after that we add the balance sheet. So the total of the balance sheet 5,88,000. 5,88,000.